We're here with the coach of the winning team, assistant coach of the winning team. First of all, congrats, good performance today. How are you feeling after managing to get this result?
Yeah, very much proud. You know, we wanted to wrap it up in the first leg, but Nilal came here with a game plan. To switch it up on them, and it worked. We caught them off guard, and very happy for the 3 points.
First leg, you guys had an abysmal performance. It seemed as though no football was being played. What did you tell the guys after that game to kind of motivate them to kind of get them going for today's game?
Yeah, basically we told them is either go hard or go home. We know that if we lost here today, that was the end of our season, and having that in mind, having all the hard work we put through, we came out today. And we're very proud of that.
Do you think the pressure would have gotten to the boys? They kind of got off to a slow start today.
Yeah, I mean, coming to Eki, with the atmosphere that they create. But we knew that once we got the first goal, that would flatten their mood, and it showed.
Tajiri Lee, after a shaky start in the season, came up big, was our man of the match today. Speak to us about his performance.
Yeah, outstanding performance. Throughout the season, if you notice, he didn't start 1 or 2 games. That was part of setting the right mentality in him, and he came out and showed us what Tajiri Lee is all about today.
All right, towards the late embers of the game, you guys made some substitutions.
Yeah.
One odd substitution to us watching the game was substituting Forbes as the central defender.
Right.
What went into that decision, and do you think that almost cost you guys, conceding some goals?
No, no. He was on a card. So we didn't want to risk anything. Which is why we took him out. As long as Smith. So it's more a precaution why we took them out.
All right. Once again, coach, going into the second round, how are you guys feeling going on to bigger and better things?
Yeah, I mean, our aim really is to win the Manning Cup, and this is the next step. We're taking it game by game, and our opponents, I know they'll be waiting on us, and we're looking forward to the games coming up.
All right, coach, congrats again.
Thank you.